Hey everyone, struggling to fit everything onto one page in Microsoft Word? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm showing you 4 quick methods to make your document perfectly fit one page. Let's dive in. First up, adjusting margins. Head to the Layout tab, then click on Margins and select Narrow. This reduces the page margins, giving you more space for your content. Method 2. Scale to fit. Next, let's scale your content. Stay on the Layout tab and check out this section called Page Setup. Click the little dialog box launcher in the corner. Here, click Scaling. Fit it to 0. Then put on OK. Now next what you can do is change your font size, which you can do by going to Home, pressing and Ctrl and A, then choosing whatever the size, smaller size that can you find. And for the fourth method, tweak your paragraph spacing. Back on the Home tab, right click on your text, select Paragraph. Here you can decrease the spacing before and after paragraphs and also reduce line spacing. And there you have it, 4 easy methods to fit your content onto a single page in Word. Experiment with these options to find the best fit for your document.